Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable biometric login in PayPal. First, open the PayPal app on your iPhone. If you are not logged in yet, sign in using your email, address and password. Once you are logged in, tap your profile icon in the top right corner, then tap Setting. In the setting, tap Security. Look for the option that says Face ID, Touch ID or Biometric Login. When you see it, turn the switch on. Your iPhone will now ask to confirm using your Face ID or Touch ID to approve the change. If you don't see the biometric option, don't worry. Open the setting app on your phone. In the search bar, type PayPal and open the app. And make sure Face ID or biometric access is turned on. The next time you open the PayPal, you will be asked to log in using your Face ID or Touch ID. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.